Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're talking about the crypto market and some recent geopolitical drama. So, what happened? Over the weekend, tensions between Iran and Israel flared up. This caused a bit of a panic in the global markets, and guess what? Crypto felt the heat too. Bitcoin took a dip down to around $60,800, and some folks sold off their coins in a hurry. This led to millions of dollars in liquidations. Why they sell off? Analysts say it's all about fear. People worried that a war could lead to higher prices for things like oil and gold, which in turn could trigger inflation. And when inflation goes up, interest rates usually go up too. That's bad news for stocks and crypto, because higher interest rates can make them less attractive investments. But here's the good news. The crypto market showed some serious resilience. Bitcoin and other major coins bounced back quickly. As of right now, Bitcoin is actually up over 2% compared to yesterday. Ethereum and Solana are doing even better, with jumps of 7% and 12.8% respectively. What do the experts say? Big names like Mike Novogratz, CEO of Galaxy Digital, are optimistic. He believes the market will overcome these short-term jitters and continue its upward trend. The crypto market might be volatile, but it's also proving to be pretty tough. While geopolitical tensions can cause some bumps in the road, it seems the overall trend for crypto is still positive. Stay tuned. We'll keep an eye on the situation and bring you more updates. In the meantime, let us know in the comments what you think about the crypto market's resilience.